Welcome to class 003. I am teacher Jamie. Today, I want to teach you guys how to remove a picture background. This is super important for a seller to remove a background so that you can get the product picture or the human picture itself. Then, place it into your poster and do this as your product picture. Now, before I start, please subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. Subscribe now so that this is a big encouragement for me to continue to share more information. Now, first of all, you just need to go to remove.bg, okay? And then example, if today you do not remove a background, okay, example here, copy, and you want to paste into your poster, and then you always see the white frame is very ugly, and people know that you are copying other people or Julie other people photo. So what you need to do is that we don't do this. You just need to copy the image that you want, product image that you want, and then paste it into remove BG background, okay? Once they're removed already, they will automatically download this into a PNG file. So from here, you can actually take this file, okay, and transfer it to the poster. Okay, I'm using Canva to edit most of my product pictures. Okay, here you go. Ta-da! You get a super professional picture, right? Can you see that? Ta-da! Okay, now next. So let's go to another picture, maybe. All right, a happy girl, maybe. So maybe I take this, okay, and then copy this picture, copy image, okay, and then I paste it to remove.bg, and automatically I will remove the background, okay. Then I download. Now I have a girl with no background, no color, so I don't need to use yellow. I can use any other background color, okay, to do that. So, ta-da! So please subscribe to my channel, okay?